Hello, I'm Jason. I'm the director of Season. And we thought we'd do something vegan that isn't worthy, that's entirely indulgent. And this plum galette with figs is absolutely delicious and just that, really beautiful comfort food and perfect in season fruit for the summer, of course. We hope you enjoy it. It'd be the perfect thing to add a bit of sweetness at the end of a barbecue. Cheers.